So, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm fine, thanks. Hope you are enjoying your life. Today we are going to learn the latest and newest method to learn the uses of did in all the WH questions. मित्रांनो, did वापरताना आपल्याला भरपूर प्रॉब्लेम्स येतात की कुठे पहिला क्रियापदाचं पहिले रूप वापरायचं आणि कुठे क्रियापदाचे दुसरे रूप वापरायचं. हा प्रॉब्लेम आज मी गॅरंटीने तुमच्याकडून सॉल्व्ह करून घेणार आहे. एक नियम आहे, तो माझ्यानंतर सर्वांनी बोलायचा आहे. हा जर नियम तुम्ही पाळला तर did विषयी तुम्हाला केव्हाच प्रॉब्लेम्स येणार नाही. माझ्यानंतर तो नियम बोलायचा आहे. जर वाक्यामध्ये didचा प्रयोग असेल तर क्रियापदाचे पहिले रूपच वापरतात. जर वाक्यामध्ये didचा प्रयोग असेल तर वाक्यामध्ये क्रियापदाचे पहिले रूपच वापरतात. आणि जर वाक्यामध्ये did नसेल तर वाक्यामध्ये क्रियापदाचे दुसरे रूप वापरतात. ओके, आता माझ्यानंतर सर्वांनी बोलायचं आहे. याचे मराठी मिनिंग्स पण सांगणार आहेत. अगदी सरळ पद्धतीने आपण शिकणार आहोत. माझ्यानंतर सर्वांनी बोलायचं आहे. What did he write? त्याने काय लिहिले? He wrote a letter. त्याने पत्र लिहिले. What did he see? त्याने काय पाहिले? He saw the bird. त्याने पक्षी पाहिला. What did he take? त्याने काय घेतले? He took a mobile. त्याने मोबाईल घेतला. When did he take a mobile? When did he write a letter? त्याने पत्र केव्हा लिहिले? He wrote a letter on Sunday. त्याने रविवारी पत्र लिहिले. When did he take a mobile? He took a mobile yesterday. When did he come here? He came here in the morning. Where did he write a letter? त्याने पत्र कोठे लिहिले? He wrote a letter in class. त्याने क्लास मध्ये पत्र लिहिले. Where did he watch a movie? He watched a movie in the multiplex. Where did he work? He worked in Pune. Why did he write a letter? त्याने पत्र का लिहिले? He wrote a letter to send. त्याने पाठवण्यासाठी पत्र लिहिले. Why did he come here? He came here to learn English. Why did he ask the questions? He asked the questions to know the answer. How did he write a letter? त्याने पत्र कसे लिहिले? He wrote a letter slowly. त्याने सावकाशपणे पत्र लिहिले. How did he speak English? He spoke English fluently. How did he answer the questions? He answered the questions quickly. How many letters did he write? त्याने किती पत्र लिहिले? He wrote some letters. त्याने काही पत्र लिहिले. How many movies did he watch? He watched 5 movies. How many languages did he learn?
How many languages did he learn?
He learned 3 languages.
3 languages.
How much time did he write?
How much time did he write?
त्याने किती वेळ पत्र लिहिले? He wrote letters for 2 hours. त्याने 2 तासाकरिता पत्र लिहिले. How much How much milk?
How much milk
Did he drink?
did he drink?
He drank.
He drank
A glass of milk.
a glass of milk.
How much ice cream?
How much ice cream
Did he eat?
did he eat?
He ate
He ate
a cone of ice cream.
a cone of ice cream.
Whom did he write a letter?
Whom did he write a letter?
त्याने पत्र कोणाला लिहिले?
त्याने पत्र कोणाला लिहिले?
He wrote a letter
He wrote a letter
to his friend.
to his friend.
त्याने त्याच्या मित्राला पत्र लिहिले.
त्याने त्याच्या मित्राला पत्र लिहिले.
Whom did he call for the party?
Whom did he call for the party?
He called for the party.
He called for the party.
Everybody.
Everybody.
Whom did he answer the questions?
Whom did he answer the
He
question?
answered the questions
He answered the questions
to his teacher.
to his teacher.
Which letter did he write?
Which letter did he write?
त्याने कोणते पत्र लिहिले?
त्याने कोणते पत्र लिहिले?
He wrote
He wrote
a formal letter.
a formal letter.
त्याने एक औपचारिक पत्र लिहिले.
त्याने एक औपचारिक पत्र लिहिले.
Which fruit did he eat?
Which fruit did he eat?
He ate
He ate
a mango.
a mango.
त्याने कोणते फळ खाल्ले?
त्याने कोणते फळ खाल्ले?
त्याने आंबा खाल्ला.
त्याने आंबा खाल्ला.
Which language did he learn?
Which language did he learn?
He learned English language.
He learned English language.
Whose letter did he write?
Whose letter did he write?
त्याने कोणाचे पत्र लिहिले?
त्याने कोणाचे पत्र लिहिले?
He wrote
He wrote
Ram's letter.
Ram's letter.
त्याने रामचे पत्र लिहिले.
त्याने रामचे पत्र लिहिले.
Whose mobile did he use?
Whose mobile did he use?
He used
He used
my mobile.
my mobile.
Whose channel did you subscribe?
Whose channel did you subscribe?
You subscribed
You subscribe
my channel.
my channel.
Whose channel did I like?
Whose channel did I like?
You liked
You liked
my channel.
my channel.
Whose channel did I share?
Whose channel did I share?
You shared
You shared
my channel.
my channel.
So subscribe my channel, share my channel, and don't limit your knowledge with yourself. Let these people know about the knowledge. Thank you for joining me. Bye bye.
Bye bye.